Riverside Marine and Cycle, Miles City, Montana. We've got a 2022 Polaris Ranger XP 1000 North Star. It's got the full hard cab, heater, wiper, air conditioning, winch, some light bars, 8-ply tires with, I'd say, 60% tread on it, crank down window doors. This machine's got the tilt to assist dump bed, inboard or the dash mount audio kit, basic street legal. Has 1,146 hours, 7,018 miles. I'm gonna take another video of this machine getting started up and drove around. If you've got any questions, you can always give us a call at 406-232-3300.